Hey guys, it's me Serena soon, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to click that subscribe button. And today we're doing the Squishy Collection Part 2, and we're doing this big case of squishies. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, it's pretty crazy, but let's start. First, I have this onigiri or something like that, and this is from 010, and it also has a licensing. I mean, it's pretty old, but it has a licensing, so I kind of like it. The rice part, the texture is like all over there, so I like it. As 010 is supposed to be a seal, but it's like in the onigiri costume or something like that. It's soft but fast rising. It's kind of like a stress reliever or something like that. We have this sundae, just pretty old, I guess. I don't know. It has a lot of defects, tons of defects. There is a lot. I mean, I can say there's a lot. Next, this is this is like my most oldest squishy. So it's not that slow rising, but it's really nice and not defected that much. Then this one I got it from February something in 2018, and this I got it literally at like 9 years old. Now I'm 10 years old, so I got it like this year. I got it like last year, so the quality is different. And this is my second oldest squishy, so that's why it's really, really defected. It's kind of slow rising. I think it's the replica or the knockoff of the I Balloon Boo, the owl squishy. I think it's much better than that. But next we have this mangosteen squishy. I think that's called. It's super slow rising, and I really like the squishiness of it and the look of it. That is like really metallic and rainbowy. Then we have the homemade face bun squishy. Comes with a tag. That's like the front of it, but we also have a cake squishy. It doesn't have a licensing, but it's really, really slow rising. Then we have this super duper rare, I believe, okay, I'm not sure, but this super hard squishy. Comes with the beads and a cell phone strap or something like that, and it's a huge tag, as you guys can see. It's big. It's same size as like the squishy. That's amazing. I don't know if that's possible, but also I have this panda ice cream squishy by Squishy Fun, and it's also licensed. And I have this mushy, and this one is a ketchup bottle, and it smells really good. And this is my most softest mushy that I own. And I think it's really slow rising. I think there's an air bubble over here. I really like the air bubble, actually. Somebody doesn't, but I do. I like it. What? No. I like it better than the pig or I like it both of them, but not the pig. I'll show you guys right now the pig. pig is like the maple syrup one. And I don't like it that much. Oh no! That was pretty crazy. This smells good. It's dense and fast rising. So, yeah, and I don't even know where's my pet squishy. Okay, I'll find out. I couldn't find it, so sorry guys. I really missed that squishy. But next is this. I think I didn't show you guys, right? It's like a Cafe DN. It comes with acrylic tag. Which the tag is over here, but it just got off. And by the way, I showed you guys a minute ago, and this one's packaging is over here. And yeah, this one is really slow rising. Like it. And here, I think my most affected squishy and dirty. I think it's the most affected squishy. I mean, it's one of my most softest and slow rising squishy. But since I squish it so much, so sad. Sometimes I lose squishies and everything, but I'm really sad. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please make sure to click that subscribe button and like button. And if you guys have any questions or ideas of this video, then just please comment down below over there, or here. I mean, so if I totally lost my mouth or something like that. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.